All right, so this of course is the spinal cord, and of course this should have been covered on the back, but we're getting it covered now. You do need to be able to identify certain structures. For obviously, for instance, this is the white matter here, but the white matter is called the funiculus. So we have, of course, an anterior and a posterior funiculus, and then of course lateral funiculi. So anterior, posterior funiculi, and lateral funiculi. The gray matter is this, of course, where we have, of course, a ventral horn and a dorsal horn, and then, of course, lateral horns on the sides as well. We also have what's called a gray commissure, which connects the two gray matters together. Inside the gray commissure is the central canal, and in front of it here is the anterior median fissure. And then back here, which is indicated in a red line here, would be the posterior median septum. Okay? Now, you'll see that there are nerves that are coming off of the spinal cord. Obviously, the nerves that are coming off of the ventral horn would then be ventral root nerves. Okay? And the ones that are going into the dorsal horns would, of course, be the dorsal root nerves. And then, of course, this bulbous structure here is actually what's called a dorsal root ganglia. Now see, the reason that it forms this bulbous structure is because when the nerves synapse to themselves, they actually form kind of these little ball-like structures called glomuli. And when you have a cluster of these ball-like structures, it ends up forming kind of a bulb-like structure. And so this ganglia is basically this little ball-like structure that occurs when nerves that are coming from the periphery are synapsing to these nerves here in the ganglia before they actually come in and synapse to the gray matter. The nerves that are coming off of the ventral and heading out to the periphery, they actually don't synapse to another set of nerves until they get to their target. So that's why you don't see a ventral root ganglia. Okay? I think that is it.